If you are tired of taking notes during meetings, you have probably heard of otter.ai. It is one of the most popular AI meeting assistants, promising automatic transcription, meeting summaries, and searchable notes. But is it still worth using in 2026? Let's find out. What is otter.ai? Otter.ai is an AI powered meeting assistant that records conversations, transcribes them in real time, and generates summaries automatically. It works with popular platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet, allowing users to focus on discussions instead of note taking. Key features. The biggest key feature is real time transcription. Otter converts spoken conversations into text as meetings happen. Another standout feature is AI generated meeting summaries. Instead of reviewing an entire transcript, you get key takeaways, action items, and important decisions highlighted automatically. Otter also provides a speaker identification, helping distinguish who said what during meetings. A searchable transcript feature makes it easy to find specific discussions, keywords, or decisions from past meetings. For teams, Otter offers collaboration tools that allow users to share notes, comment on transcripts, and keep everyone aligned. Pros. Otter AI is very easy to use and requires minimal setup. The transcription quality is generally accurate, especially in clear audio environments. The AI summaries save significant time after meetings. It also integrates with major video conferencing platforms, making it convenient for remote teams. Cons. The accuracy can drop when multiple people talk at the same time or when audio quality is poor. Some advanced features are locked behind paid plans, and while the summaries are useful, they may occasionally miss context or important nuances from complex discussions. Final verdict and conclusion. So, is Otter AI the best AI meeting assistant in 2026? For individuals, professionals, and teams looking for automatic meeting notes and summaries, Otter AI remains one of the strongest options available. Its combination of transcription, AI summaries, and collaboration features make it a valuable productivity tool. If your goal is to spend less time taking notes and more time focusing on conversations, Otter AI is definitely worth considering. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Check out our other AI tool reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.